Everybody, I'm going to show you now how to read a data file, in this case a CSV file, into Google Sheets. So this will let you manipulate the data better, do a better job displaying it, making it look nice to put it into some other document. So we're going to read in that money.csv file we made in the last video. So I'm going to show you here. Go File to Import, select Upload, and then I'm going to drag the file here and upload it. Now I want to replace the current spreadsheet with that data. You could also create a new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, however you want to do it, but I just want to replace the one that's there. And it'll upload that data. Now we have one little problem. This shows up as rows, and I want it to be columns. So I'm going to copy this and come over here and paste special and paste transposed, and that will put it all into one column, which is what I want. And then I can take the rest of this and delete the values, so I just have the values that I want. Well, now it's in Excel, and I can play with it and make it look nice. So for example, I can choose currency, and that's nice for seeing the values. I can insert a row above, so I can put a header in. I'm going to say value, and I want this to look nice, so I'm going to center it. Let's say I want to be able to get the years also. I can slide this over. I can get the years, and let's just make this column centered as well. I can go 0, 1. I could fill it down, but it's easier. It can see the pattern. So we'll fill it in. Now I have the year, and I can see, like, in year 14 you'll have $2,937.19. I can do things like take this and insert a chart. And I can do all the things that you could do in a CSV file. I can cut and paste this into a Google Doc, and it's a useful thing to be able to do.